pot one up. You go to my fire. So will. So. Much fire upon it. So Malik are gonna get in some wood for the fire now. Know what I mean? Roast two breadfruit. So, we have some wood there now. For me couple fire and thing, you know. Yes, so we don't know anything already. We out here at roast breadfruit with some mackerel. And call it dash out, shake out. So, just stay tuned and watch how I go on for you vlog people. We are clean up the area. Clean up the area now. Set up the fire right there. Right, just so we are ready people. Fire. Get your fire with some banana section. First, actually, I use that so see what going to me today. Fire big so.
Breeze a blow.
Breeze blowing and blowing and blowing. So fire catch up here now people. Can't control the fire. Don't want it out down now. Alright, so breadfruit them in the fire you know. Give that couple minutes and then roast. Alright, so see what I go on people. Breadfruit them a roast. So we go to work, you know, people. Breadfruit a come on. Nice. Soon time to turn the breadfruit them too. Right, and that breadfruit tree that we know. What that breadfruit tree just start blossom. I think I see one blossom on it earlier. We don't have no ackee for use today. So we are use some dash out, shake out and call it mackerel. Yeah, our tin boom. Yeah. So this is how I go on Niles now people. So I go on read the progress how I go on so. Yeah. Aight man. And breadfruit are not really all that. You know so much soapy roast in breadfruit qualities. Yet but we still work with them.
Turn the breadfruit, I know people. Turn them again, now and then burn up. And keep on turning them like fire. Now I really put a big fire upon them, so I steam out now. This is breadfruit, I want to see what I go on for them right now.
Yeah man, it's good to know.
Yeah, almost roast. If I know them roast people, just shoot knife in them. So see you go through easy them roast. This one going to steam out.
Good to know? Alright.
Yeah, this one I roast. Can't take out this. The one they leave in fire now go and steam out. Yeah.
So just a wash off me and I know some can go cut up the seasoning, you know what I mean?
See the people we have today. Mackerel. We have a scallion. We have a garlic, hot pepper. That we have work with today. I don't know a thing go. Nah, no onion and tomato and then thing there. So we have to work with the way I see it. Things still out, man. No worry about that.
This scallion. As Malik said, we don't have no onion, so we just work with the way I work with the scallion and pepper. Little garlic, save me. So wash off now. Come so close. Yep. Pepper and pepper in it. Mackerel. My favorite mackerel this now. So make sure you will pepper.
Yeah, people, that if you are going to cut up the seasoning, don't know a thing go. Seasoning a little spice or spice up the mackerel, you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, cut up the garlic now. Can't cook mackerel without garlic, you know. Garlic is a thing you cut a little raw and say mackerel have like, I don't know what thing, you know. Pepper, garlic and scallion. Mm-hmm. Now we are going to line out the fire peep. Put on the pot, you know what thing go. Pot off the balance for the fire. Pot that already. Fire and a ramp, you know.
Stewing stuff, you know. Can't back up this up.
Fast. Heat up on it. Stir fry them. Get out the flavor out, I don't know what thing go.
Go on. Oh, yeah, do.
Then I would have use people or something there with them, you know. Chili man wood. That gives everything a flavor. Chili man stick, I should say. I don't know what Jamaicans say.
Fire, go on. Now, we people so me have to just chew in this fast. See? Fire, this new. Hot. And I put. Cover him up a little bit. Get this. Get the up and running, you know? Wally, cut. Chew it in now, Wally. Oh my God, you got one of. You go to my fire. So, Will? Much fire, Bunny. Alright.
Cool can do work in a people. Now, if you have any way you can fire.
Alright. Stir it up then. Alright. So, cover it up now. Go and simmer in some more.
Don't enjoy it out too much, you know.
Alright.
The gravy.
Just stay tuned, people. Next time I see we supposed to peel the breadfruit them and I get ready for eat.
Oh, it's soft and nice, you know. Don't peel easy. Like how they roast. So they want peel easy, people. The breadfruit for roast, you know. The roast breadfruit, you're not supposed to raw. That's nice in pan now to put it.
Like a pitch one, you know. Use the other one cover it down.
Two of them have to eat, you know. A load and we can eat one.
fry one.
That feel nice and easy. Really a lot of people. They wanna know really a lot. They know what's good and taste nice.
It doesn't know you like red fruit,
You know?
It's a too, so much of a ripe roasting breadfruit, I see so.
I wish I a lot of people because I keep it, you know.
You like red fruit and you don't see white. Alright, this is the time for cut up and eat, you know. Alright.
We have cut up them breadfruit, eat. Put in a dish them.
So, this is how I'm going to know. Boom.
Cut up breadfruit and put in a dish. So then soft people.
Slice it in a two. See how I'm going, babes.
Breadfruit you have to eat with nothing really still. You know. Soft and gummy. As you can see for yourself.
Right, see that paper? Slice it up.
Bean again, and mackerel again a plate. The breadfruit them. The man I go eat you know, you know.
The man I go eat and how much people there so.
Don't know if we're going to see no pass by. I say thing going on in that country. You know.
What's up, boy?
Pass by if I ever forget food.
Cook them there, man.
So I go on there. Colourful. Well, as you know, I'm going to eat it now, so I end the video this, you know. Whole heap of mango tree and surrounding. Yeah. Full of mango tree in the hills there, you know. The mango time we have a whole heap of mango for eat, yeah. Whole heap of mango tree, plantain tree, every tree there. Mango tree again there. That one tall up in the air. Yeah. Plantain tree. We have tangerine tree also. Yeah. Out here like all the time. Dalvey alongside Malik, you don't know. Yeah, fully.